Hello, YouTube. Say hi.
Hi.
It's the dad and the son again, and
Yep.
we're talking about Scratch, are we?
Yeah.
Okay. And here, scoot yourself forward. Here, pretend like you're actually doing this. Folks are waiting for you to drop some knowledge on them. All right. So we're going to. This is a part 4 of our Keepy Up tutorial. Keep Up 9 tutorial.
Yeah.
And it's going along. I think we're learning a lot of things about Scratch, are we?
Yeah.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
think?
Yeah.
All right. So show us where we are. Show us where we are. Show us where we are.
So we've got it so it accelerates at the top is very slow and the bottom is quite fast, and we've got it so this is moving, and we got just a simple animation of this.
Great. So now this time, so if we were to play this as a game, so go ahead and play. If we used to play this as a game, would it be a hard game? Would it be a challenging game?
No.
Not really, huh? Pal's too big. You'd never miss, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we want to introduce a little gameplay in this, don't we, this time?
Yeah.
So this is what we're going to do. We're going to introduce a little gameplay. We're going to talk about, what are we going to talk about today?
Gonna talk about the ball moving either randomly right or left.
Right. So we're going to talk about random stuff.
Yeah.
Random is very useful. Mr.
Yeah.
Random. He's our friend, isn't he our friend?
Yeah.
Yes, we like random. Random is actually very, very useful in games and in programming, etc., 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 etc.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so get us started. So let's see now what. Let's see what we want to do. What do we want to do?
So you want to every time in this in this you want to use this.
Okay, wait. You're jumping ahead.
Okay.
No jumping ahead.
You want to make a
It's in the
variable.
contract. Okay.
First thing first.
Wait, I'm gonna wait you.
Yeah.
First things first, bud, pal. First things first. Okay, go ahead.
You want to make a variable. And
Wait. It's not even first. That's like 19.7th. Yeah, cancel. Cancel, bub. No, I'm kidding. Okay, no, so first of all, so let's tell them what we're doing, though.
Yeah.
So we want to make the ball move a little bit, right?
Mm.
Which directions do we want to make a move?
You want to make it move randomly to right or left.
To right or left, that's right. When? So we have to tell them when.
When it either hits the paddle or hits the top.
Okay, so which one do you want to start with? The paddle or the top?
The paddle.
Okay, so let's make a little comment. Where does it hit the paddle?
Here.
That's right. Okay, so let's make a comment and let's call that ball hits paddle. With the S, paddle, P-A-D-D-L-E. And return, because paddle needs a return. Okay, ball hits paddle. Okay, so it's got to be where? In where? Where?
Here.
Where? In the if statement, right?
Yeah.
Like in the if statement. Okay, so basically what do we want to do? Then we want to move what? What thing are we moving?
The
when it
ball.
hits the
The
paddle?
pong
Okay,
ball.
we got to move. So we got to make sure we're on the ball sprite. Go point to the ball sprite.
Yep.
Make sure the ball sprite's selected. Yeah. So we're doing the code for the ball sprite. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we doing the code for the ball sprite?
Yeah.
The ball sprite.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And then we're gonna do when it hits the paddle, and how are we gonna change the ball?
So we're gonna change it by.
Forget about the variables.
You're gonna change
What?
it.
How are we gonna change the ball? What do we want to move about the ball?
It's exposition.
Yeah, exposition, man.
Yeah.
All right, go find it. Show us where it is. Where is it?
Here.
It's in motion. Okay,
Yeah.
motion.
In motion.
All right.
In the motion tab.
And then show us the object. Wait, what?
She said what?
Don't we gotta change exposition? We're not just gonna
Yeah.
use exposition. Okay. All right. Okay. So do it.
So change exposition.
Ah, okay. Wait. You're in the wrong
Oh, no.
thing. You know?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Then why'd you put it there? No. I think you know. No, okay. Right. Okay. So you're gonna change exposition. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. So
Settle down, young man. Settle it down. Get a hold of things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Too much sugar. Too many lollipops. Okay. Go ahead. Let's see what happens.
this will
Right.
move 10
Every
from
time
1
it
to
touches
10.
the paddle, it goes over 10. That's cool.
Yeah.
Still real easy.
Yeah.
Yeah? Still too easy.
Yeah.
So what are we going to do about that?
You can make this. You can add this in, and make it say for just now -10. It'll pick random from going to -10 to 10.
Wow. So now we don't know which direction it's going.
No.
It's going to sometimes go left, The negative direction, sometimes it'll go right.
Yeah.
Cool.
And sometimes it will barely move at all.
Okay, all right. Okay, so why don't we... So let's do it. See how up there where it says set speed? Point to me. Set speed, set speed.
Yep.
Okay. Change that speed to something.
Bigger or smaller?
No, it's up to you. Up to you.
Double
Okay.
it.
So see how we can change all the speed? Go ahead. Yeah, see? By hitting a single number up there, right?
Yeah.
So let's do the same thing with the random. So we want to make that... We want to be able to set the sort of the level of change every time it hits the paddle, huh?
Yeah.
So how do we do that?
So
Now, see, this is where you wanted to start, right here. See, we talked for like 10 minutes before this point, but you wanted to start here.
yeah.
You're teaching folks stuff. Come on, man. Slow down.
So
I know
you
you're
want to
smart.
make a variable,
I know. You don't have to show off.
and you want to call it change exposition or chx.
Okay. Change X.
Yeah.
Or checks. X.
You don't need it
X.
clicked.
Okay.
So basically, you want to get this
yeah.
and set down here set chx, and you want to go into motion and set it to exposition. So you
Hey,
want to
What? What are you talking about?
so
No, I think you're right. No. Change X is the amount you're going to change.
oh yeah.
Take that all out. What are you doing? Getting ahead of the script. You're going to flip the script. So, no, you want to change that. Go back to data, yeah?
Yep.
So, first we want to see how it says set speed to 40? Like
Yep.
that. First we want to set it initially, right?
Yeah.
So these are our initial conditions. This is when we start the game. We want everything to be a certain thing, right?
Yeah.
So what do we want to set that to?
You want to set it to 0.
No. I don't think so.
Hmm?
No. That's how much we're going to change every time it hits the paddle.
Yeah.
So how much we're going to change? By
10.
about 10. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
about 10.
That's right. Now, look where it says change X by pick random.
Yeah.
Right? It says 10 to negative 10. How do we make one? Because it's got to go either left or right, right?
Mm-hmm.
So left being, I guess, negative, I think. And then
Yeah.
right. So how do we make it? How do we make it one of the things? Left or
So
negative?
you just do change instead of change x by.
Yeah.
You do change chx.
No. What are you talking about? You're confusing everyone. Okay. All right. Go back to where you were. Go. You had it fine. Change X by. You were right. No. That's fine.
Yeah.
Just get it back. Yeah.
There.
There you go. Okay. That's right. Yeah. Win in things and then put pick random. Remember, you
Yeah.
want to change the pick random to change X.
Yeah.
That's how you do it. Okay.
Mhm.
So if you stick the data, go to data.
Mhm.
Right? Remember, you put change X in with the random. See?
Yeah.
So it's either going to change by 10
Or
okay,
negative
or 10.
10.
Okay.
Yeah.
But now, how do we make the one on the left pick random between negative 10 and 10 to negative change X? How do we make that negative change X? So we
You
want to
do-
either do change X or negative change
You
X.
go
right?
to operators and
Yeah.
you get times,
Okay.
and you put this in there
Okay.
and times -1.
Oh, that's how you do it. All right.
Yeah.
So now you have a variable, meaning you have something that you can change anytime you want.
Yeah.
And you can change the amount it changes. Okay. So let's try it. Let's see what happens. Let's look at it. Go ahead. Boo. Boo. Is it changing? Is it moving? It's not moving.
No.
Change X by pick random. Change X to set change X to 10.
Okay.
It should be. If it's touching sprite. Wait. No. Go back. You're fine. You're fine. Hang in there. Settle down. Hang in there. Okay. So, okay, let's change X to at the top. Oh, you didn't press the green. Did you press the green?
Yep.
Okay, press it. Go ahead. Okay, let's set it to some extreme amount then.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, not that extreme. That's going to be ridiculous.
10,000.
Yeah,
Oh.
okay. Yeah, okay. So it's working.
Yeah.
Okay, change it back to something normal. Maybe 100. Let's try 100.
Yeah.
There we go. See, every time it bounces, it changes one direction or another.
Yeah.
That's going left. That's going right. Okay, and then you can probably set your speed to something a little bit slower. Should we?
Yeah.
Just for demonstration's sake. Okay, good. Nice one. Okay. Show them how it works. Okay.
So it will move
Yeah.
randomly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's kind of interesting, but like you say, it kind of jumps, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, all right. So stop the game for a sec.
Mhm.
Okay. So we have it when it bounces. So do it again. Let's see it. Let's see it one more time. So we've just discovered that the sun was right, the dad was wrong. Sorry, the sun. So, but this is a good demonstration. So it's cool that it every time it hits the paddle,
Yeah.
it moves a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
It makes a little bit. But what do we want really? Because we actually went through this exactly like this. What do
Yeah.
we really want it to do?
We want it to just move a little bit diagonally.
We want it to keep moving in one direction or another.
Yeah.
Right? Every time.
Mm.
Okay? So first of all, why don't we set change X to something really low?
Yeah.
Okay. And then let's do what leave the pick random there. Leave that there. And let's put a change X leave all that there. Leave all that there.
Mhm.
Yeah, let's go ahead and do it like you want it to do. So it could be constantly changing.
Yeah.
Okay. No, leave all that there, please.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, leave all that there. No, just leave it all there.
Yeah.
Put the one on the bottom there. You know what I'm saying? No. Take it out. Okay. So we're going to go back to keep up 9.
Yep.
All right. So see where it says change X by change X. That's the one we want. Okay. So go back to our tutorial. Let's explain that to them.
Yeah.
Okay. Change X by change X.
So yeah.
So yeah. Leave all that there. We're going to change X by change X. Okay.
Yeah.
So that means it's constantly changing now, right? It's always going 5 to the right, huh?
Yeah.
Constantly, right? So
Yeah.
now what we want, so that's a continuous change. If you start over, let's start over and let's see what happens again. See, it just continuously changes. So now it has this nice continuous motion.
Yeah.
And do you want to point to the line, change X by change X? Okay, how does that, explain to us how that makes it always go to the right.
It's changing the exposition constantly, but because of this forever loop by 5 pixels.
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
of this.
Every frame or whatever, every time it draws the picture,
Yeah.
it's moving over 5 pixels, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we need that to be is more variable, right? We don't want it just to go right all the time, right?
No.
So what we need to do is now, instead of changing X by pick random when it touches sprite, we want to change X.
Yeah.
Don't we? Okay. So you're absolutely right. So, but it's good to do it that way. Okay. So set change X to.
Don't need any of this.
Yeah. No, we do need that.
Not yet.
Because it can go left. No, we do need that.
No, you just do negative.
Oh, I see. Oh, right.
We don't need that yet.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you contradicting me in front of people? This is public. You need to. Yeah. You need to. What are you doing?
Getting rid of that.
Why?
Because we don't need it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You sure? Ah, look at that. Right. Okay. So it bounces
Yeah.
continuously somewhere between -10 and 10
10.
pixels every time. How
Yeah.
neat is that? How neat is that? That is
Yeah.
cool. That is amazingly cool.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So now, why don't
Gonna
we have
move
it
that a bit.
change its direction? Yeah, that's right. So we just change it when it bounces.
Yeah.
That's right. So now, right, very cool. Every time it bounces, it changes its direction.
Yeah.
That's too cool. Okay. So actually, we have all this boundary condition, but I didn't realize it doesn't go past the boundary anyways. So should we just leave it every time it bounces? Because that's kind of more realistic, right?
I think it's cool because in this one over here, it is on the wall.
Uh-huh.
It would just stay there. It would go to the wall, but then it would just bounce. It wouldn't go past the wall. So it would just bounce off of it.
Okay. So why don't we create some more boundary conditions then? This is harkening back to our first thing.
Yeah.
Why don't we go ahead and create some more boundary conditions? Okay. So
Yeah.
we need to figure out when it's touching the left wall.
So yeah. About there. So -223.
Okay. So go ahead and show us how we detect the left wall.
So you want to get another in control. You want to get another if
Okay.
and put it beneath all those, but don't want any of that in it.
Yeah. Okay. It's
You
a
put-
separate thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, let's make a comment then too. Can we put it? A comment. Say if it touches left.
Yeah.
If ball touches left. If ball touches left. Why are you so slow? If ball touches with the S, left. That's the other left, the other left, the other left. Kidding.
If the ball touches the left,
Okay.
so you want to go to not sensing, you want to go to motion?
Yeah.
No, sorry, operators.
Okay, that's all right.
If you want to go to there, and you also you want to get a greater than.
Okay, are you sure it's greater than? Which going left is getting bigger or more?
Smaller. So less than. Sorry.
That's okay. So let's demonstrate that. Grab the ball. Ooh,
Yep.
look, you can change it. Grab the ball. Grab the ball. The ball. Grab it.
Mhm.
Stop the thing. You gotta grab the ball. Okay, and then let's look at the thing. Look at the point of the coordinates there.
Here.
Okay, start. Just show them getting lower. Okay, go. Let's start. Settle down, young man. Settle down. No breakfast for you or lunch. Okay, grab the ball, please. Move it to the middle.
Yeah.
So you gotta be step by step with these kids. Gotta be okay. So what does it read now?
-39.
And as you move left.
As I move left, it gets lower.
Ah, right. So if you're saying if it's less than a certain place, okay. So what was the left side you say bounce?
-223.
Okay. So if it's less than, what is less than?
If exposition.
Yeah. So we're talking about exposition of the ball, right?
Yeah. So you want to go into.
No, you're right.
It's exposition of.
No, you're right. No, you're right. You were right the first time.
Oh yeah. If exposition.
Yeah.
Is less than -223.
Great. Okay.
Then
what do we do?
change set chx2. Then you want to go to data and set chx2 like say 10.
Okay.
So it moves 10 as pointing right there to 10.
In the right direction?
Yeah, in the right
Can we
direction.
make it like even more fancy? Can we make it a random but keep it to the right direction?
Yep.
Okay, show us how to do that.
So you also go
We're
to
improvising
random.
here. This wasn't in the original script.
No.
This is off the cuff.
And
This is called
change CX
improvisational coding.
10 to
Off the
10.
cuff. Okay, 10 to what?
10.
10 to 10?
Or 10 to 20.
So this is going to be 10.
10 to 20.
All right. Excellent. Okay. So let's get it to hit the left wall if we can.
Yeah.
No, the left wall.
Yeah.
No, the left wall.
Yeah.
No, the left wall. No, the left wall.
See,
I'm kidding. You could just let it bounce. Oh, cool. Okay. You can just let it bounce. It's fine. Whoa, look at that.
It'll just bounce off the wall.
That is brilliant. Okay, so now we need to do it for the right ball, right?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
we
it
can.
shows how to duplicate that.
Yeah, we can just make it easier.
Brilliant.
Just duplicate it, get
Yeah.
rid of all that because you don't need that.
Yeah.
And you want, instead of this being negative, you want it to be not negative. You want less than, you want it to be a greater than.
Positive.
And positive 223.
Are you sure it's 223? Let's see. Is it 223?
Oh no, 2. Yeah, but round. Yeah.
223?
Yeah.
It says 222. It says 227. I'm kidding. Go ahead. All right.
Positive 223.
Then where do we put it?
And you want also change those to both negative.
That's right, because we want to go left instead of right. Huh?
Yeah.
Excellent. Whoa.
And then you put it just right. Oopsies.
Oopsies.
Put it
It's
right under.
bud.
There.
Okay. Excellent. Wow. That's some improvisational coding. Awesome. Look at that.
Yeah.
Okay. We gotta hit one of the sides though. Gotta hit one of the sides. What are you doing? Can't demonstrate to these folks unless you hit the side. Whoa,
There.
cool.
Boing.
Whoa,
Boing.
cool. Oh, that's so much harder.
Yeah.
Excellent. All right. That is coolness.
Yeah.
Okay. I like that. Whoa. That makes it a lot harder, huh? Doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
And
so, should we put a little comment there?
if
to
touching
set-
edge.
No. The word says to pick random. Just to tell folks that's when it hits the right boundary, how much it. Let's see. I'm being very.
If
Hits right, how much it bounces off. How about controls bounce of right bounce? How about controls right bounce? How about controls right bounce? Okay. Can you duplicate things too? Comments too?
I don't know. Oh yeah.
Booyah. Okay, put that and then controls. Just change it to controls left bounce. Did it actually get on the object?
I think.
Left bounce. Bounce.
Bounce.
Left bounce.
Yeah.
Controls left bounce.
Yep.
Okay. Good enough. Okay. And then I don't know what a bounder is, but that's okay. That's okay. We just leave it. We just leave
Yeah.
it. People don't pay the good money to watch us type. Okay. Excellent. So at least we know what controls it. So
Yeah.
in case, you forgot to eat your breakfast that I didn't give you because you're making bad videos. And your memory fails you and you forgot how to make the comments. I mean, you forgot what controls the bounce, and now you have a comment.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, what'd you do there? Everything shifted over, and what happened? That's okay. Don't do that.
Took that off. And
Oh, I wonder how that happened. Oh, we just whacked the mouse. Is it still working?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's clean up that change X by. Just get rid of that. Oh, no.
These.
Oh, no. You know what? I think you have to put your mouse over the actual object.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then over the yeah, that's it. Oops.
What?
Oh well, don't worry about it. We'll get it. We'll get it another time. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Okay,
Yeah.
just give it a change X by. Okay, so should we end there? Or should we?
Do you want to do the point system?
Okay, let's see. How
pretty
complicated
simple.
is the point system?
It's very simple.
Is it very simple?
Yeah.
Is it very simple?
Yes.
Is it like simpler than I don't know. Can't think of a simple thing. Okay. Whoa, cool.
I think I'm gonna lower those from.
Okay.
Say,
So people don't
7
pay to watch us type. Not that they're paying anything. But. Okay.
7 to 17.
Okay, go back to the thing. Never mind about that. So, go back to the thing. Scratch is getting boring. Very boring. Very boring.
So this one, yeah.
I'm kidding. Yeah, no. Let's see what the count's like. Do you know how to do the count?
Yeah.
Can I just let you do that?
Yeah.
All right, go for it.
So the count
Okay.
is.
So this is part 4.5. We're gonna do 2. Is a twofer. 2 for 1. Booyah! All right. So now we're gonna count how many bounces you get.
Yeah.
Since it's so hard.
This
now.
is very, very simple thing.
Okay.
All you do is you want to make another variable.
All right. These variables
And
come in handy, don't they?
Call it points.
Points. Points.
Yeah.
Points.
And then you want this one you want to keep.
Okay.
So, and
So we have
depending
one
on what
check.
you want, I would recommend the
Large readout.
readout.
Sweet.
And so basically, all you want to do is you want to get change. So at the beginning, you want to set points to 0,
Yeah.
and then all you want to do.
What if
is
I want to have 100 points at the beginning?
And when you hit that would be cheating.
Oh. Well, what if I want to cheat?
Then you can.
Okay. Well, it's very pragmatic of you. Okay, go ahead.
Then you can put change. Then you just put a change points under in this when it touches sprite 1.
Oh, that's easy. So easy.
And now you'll get points every time it hits
Yeah.
the paddle.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Very, very simple.
Okay, but now let's do it so you can reset it when you miss.
Yeah, so that's also very simple. You
Uh-huh.
just want to go into events and get one space clicked.
Okay, so now hold on. What we're doing is we're doing a new event, and we're basically creating like a reset button, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got to do, but let's think about the things we have to reset. What do we have to reset? We have to reset the points, so let's do that first. So
Yeah.
step 1, reset the points. Let's reset the points. He's resetting the points. Okay,
Set
go ahead.
points to 0. And
When you press a space.
And you want that to be C
You're
clear.
going to be
so
C for clear, or space? Space would be easier. Just be good on
Oh yeah,
space.
just
Just want space. You have something against space?
no.
It's
No.
too big? Are you a key size something? Okay, all right. All right, so now, right, you got to lose, though. You got to lose. Well, that's easy to keep winning. Okay, so would you press the space bar? Go ahead, show me. It
It'll
sets it
set
to
it to
0.
0.
Okay, now, what's the other thing you need to do?
You also want this same thing, so
Okay,
you can just duplicate this
yeah,
and get rid of this whole forever thing.
okay. I have a feeling we want all that other stuff, too, though, don't we?
No, you just want this.
Do we don't want to set points to 0, speed to 20? We don't want to do that?
No, because that'll
Okay.
already have been set.
All right, okay. It's your game. Don't mind me.
So
Don't
if you
mind me.
miss
It's okay. I'm just here.
and you press,
I'm just here.
oh, not C.
All right.
If you press space, it'll reset.
Excellent. And then space to reset the score. Go ahead, press space. Wait, what?
Put that, cause press
Nice.
space. Why is it going immediately?
Okay, go ahead. Hit space, because 0.5 seconds is a very short time.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta lose first.
Can you stop bouncing onto my paddle? Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, see?
Yeah, I'm going to make it a little bit longer.
Yeah. Make it a little bit longer.
2 seconds.
How about 3 minutes? No?
No.
All right, okay. There, see? That.
And then
Yeah.
if you
Excellent.
miss.
Okay, let's just do one thing while we're at it. Hey.
Yeah.
While we're at it.
Yeah.
Can we make the paddle slightly smaller, make it a little harder?
Yeah. Yeah, so that's
Oh,
very
sorry,
simple.
right. You wanna set points and you wanna go to the position, then wait. That makes
Yeah.
sense. Yeah.
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 So that's
Yeah.
also very simple. You just
Okay.
want to click on sprite 1.
Okay.
Like,
Yeah.
and go to costume.
Uh-huh.
And I've showed you this before.
Uh-huh.
Just this little shrink thing.
Uh-huh.
And just click on it until you're happy with the size. So that's good size.
Okay, good size. Let's start it. The previous time we were having troubles with it not sensing the ball, but let's see what happens.
Yeah.
When we shrink it. Let's see if it. Yeah, no, it bounces right off the thing. Let's see if it gets 3. It was doing a weird thing where
Yeah.
you'd bounce 3 times and go through. No, but it's good.
And then
It's
sometimes
good.
it'd be 4.
Nice.
But you
Brilliant.
can also
Awesome.
do that automatically. But
How you do it automatically?
so
Oh, you mean the
Change
difficulty? Yeah, no,
Yeah.
We'll get to that.
yeah.
Too quick.
So this
Too
is
big for your britches.
pretty good.
Trying to prove you're smart again.
This is a pretty good game now.
That is cool.
And it's
You got
got you
14.
counting.
What's your high score?
I don't 14 because I haven't played this very much. It's 16 now.
Okay, why don't you save now?
Yep.
Everyone should save their saves.
Yes.
Make sure they
Still did
save. That is super cool. We got some physics going on. Let's do a summary. Can we sum?
Yeah.
Sum up. A summary. Summary. You do the summary. So what do we learn first?
So this
First
time
we
we've learned
talked about.
learned that we
let me
talked
drive here.
about
While you talking, I'll drive.
the pick random the pick random from 7 and 17.
Uh-huh.
And that's bouncing off. That's pick random. Where?
Uh-huh.
If so pick random from 7 and -7, -7 to 7 that.
Uh-huh.
So we've made it so we've got a random direction this time. And we've made it so we've got a random direction this time, and we've made it so we've got boundaries and a point collect and a point and a point system.
Okay. I'm not sure I'm satisfied with your summary. Can I be dissatisfied?
Yeah.
No, it's good summary. No, look. So here we are. We're setting the change X to... Wait, first we got to tell them what this thing does here. What does this thing do here?
That changes changes X by CHX. So CHX is this random from 7 to 17 or -7 to 7.
So basically it just makes the ball go... It makes the ball go left or right, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But we want it to not always be going the same amount left or right, right?
No.
So then when do we change that?
We change that here, here, and here.
Well, every time we hit the paddle, don't
Yeah,
we?
every time they hit a paddle or
Yeah.
hit the top.
Yeah, we change the amount it goes, but it's constantly going either left or right, so that's why you get that smooth motion, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, I lost. Okay, great. And then we made boundaries. Show us where the boundaries are. That's me. All right, sorry about that. Looks like we had a little computer space problem, but now that's all set.
Yeah.
Looks like our dog cam is taking up a lot of too much stuff. So anyways, we were summing up. We got kind of a bouncy thing. We got it all going. We're trying to explain that. What were we trying to explain?
The boundaries, I think.
All right. Okay. So we set. Show us where the boundaries. So we have a nice comment to this. Ball touches left. If ball hits right, then what's going to happen?
If ball touches left or right, it'll just bounce from random from -7 or 7 to 17.
Ah, right. So basically, if it hits the left, it's going to bounce right.
Yeah.
And if it hits the right, it's going to bounce left. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Yeah, look at that. But to a random amount. So
Yeah.
sometimes it's going to bounce really heavy.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's going to bounce a little bit.
Yeah.
Cool. And you can even set speed. Let's set our speed to a greater amount.
Set it
Let's
to
see. Let's make
30.
it super hard.
Oh.
Make it 50. Let's see if you can do 50.
Or
Oh no, not that. That'll be impossible. Gosh, exaggerations in the young people these days. Ooh,
Ooh,
whoa.
it's fast.
Okay.
Whoa.
Ah.
That's
Okay.
fine.
You can set your x's too to various things because we can make them all variables if you want, but that's all right.
Yeah.
Let's keep them the way they are. Very cool. And then you shrunk your paddle a little bit, huh? Didn't you?
Yeah.
To make it a little bit harder. Oh, and then the counter. Explain that.
Oh, the counter is very simple.
Mhm.
It's just over here. It's just changing points by 1 every time it hits the paddle.
That's right. And then show us where we made a clear button, a restart button.
Over here. So when you press space, it'll set your points to 0 and go back to the top and wait 2 seconds. Then it'll drop.
All right. Okay. Well done, young man. I think this time.
Yeah.
I'll give you a well done. Not next time. Maybe you'll get breakfast anyway. All right. So next time, what are we going to cover?
Next time we're just gonna finish it up, and it'll go over difficulty and just difficulty and sound.
Oh, right. Sound. I forgot about sound. Sweet. Okay.
Yeah.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, Dusk.
Bye, Dusk. Bus is no longer on cam, but she's still there. Okay.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.